Welcome to Karl Kustoms, your one-stop shop for everything parts, accessories, performance, and custom hot rods. Following in the footsteps of Karl Chevrolet, Karl Kustoms now serves all makes and all models, carrying your favorite brands of parts and accessories to update your vehicle with the look and feel you've been dreaming of. From wheels and tires to trailer hitches, LED lighting, lift kits, and audio accessories, our updated showroom has it all. No matter if you drive a Chevy, Ford, Dodge, Jeep, or anything in between, our accessories department can get you the parts you want and can professionally install them for you in-house. Of course, Karl Kustoms wouldn't be complete without our custom car shop to fix up that dream car you've always wanted. Let us be your personal garage and help you get that ride back to its glory days. From upholstery to body and paint, we can get you in and get you back to enjoying life on the road. Our state-of-the-art facility has the people and equipment to make it all happen. If you find yourself slinging dirt on the short tracks, Karl Kustoms has you covered there too. With a wide range of performance parts and the know-how will keep you running out front. Our chassis and engine dyno tunes your car and gets the most out of your engine and gets you back to the track. Our machine shop can also build, customize, and maintain your engine to keep it running at top speed. Kustoms, we serve all makes and models, and our drive is seeing your dream car come to life. Our passion is pushing the limits of performance, style, and reliability. Our dedication is getting you the best quality part and advice every time you visit. When Karl Moyer got his start back in 1978, his passion was racing. From there, a vision became a place where car enthusiasts can get the tools and knowledge to help them turn heads on the road and on the track. That vision is Karl Kustoms.